Directed Secretary Connally to suspend temporarily the convertibility of the dollar into gold or other reserve assets, except in amounts and conditions determined to be in the interest of monetary stability and in the best interest of the United States. In full cooperation with the International Monetary Fund and those who trade with us, we will press for the necessary reforms to set up an urgently needed new international monetary system.
Everyone thinks that the US dollar is as good as gold, but it hasn't been since 1971. Let's start from the beginning. In 1873, Germany went on a gold standard. That means each unit of currency was backed by an equivalent piece of gold. Currency was just considered a claim check on gold. Literally mean your currency is a receipt.
Dollars of the nation on parade. We're the biggest batch of dollars ever made. Oh, we used to march by millions, but now we march by billions, and maybe we'll be trillions for your day.
The Panic of 1907. In 1907, a banker by the name of J.P. Morgan created rumors that all the New York banks were broke.
En vérité, on ne voit pas qu'il puisse y avoir réellement de critères, d'étalons autres que l'or.
Give this assurance. The United States has always been and will continue to be a forward-looking and trustworthy trading partner.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Theo Jones, and I'll just be going over some beginner's instructions of how we set up our charts. First thing we do when we setting up a chart for Financial Alchemy Pro is we check our indexes.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Keon Carter, and I am an instructor on Financial Alchemy Pro. Welcome, welcome. Tonight we are going to discuss the 382 zone, also known as a trigger. So we're going to talk about the 382 zones and where we use the 382 zones.
My name is Jason King, and I am the third and final instructor of Financial Alchemy Pro. What I am going to be going over is session breaks. Session breaks are when you actually time your entry into the actual trade.
Everybody, my name is Robert Ritchie with FinancialAlchemyPro.com. I just want to welcome you all, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what we do here somewhere, so you can sign up for this exclusive ordeal. But again, May 15th, 2019 is the release of Financial Alchemy Pro DVD, and we look forward to having y'all involved, having y'all do what it do.